This video is about compare two string in C programming. Here line number 4 has include stdio.h standard input output header file which support the input output functions. At line number 5 has include string.h. String.h header file is basically used for support the string related functions such as strcmp, strlen, string comparison, string length, strcpy, string copy. Here we have to use strcmp function. At line number 7, int main is a function which is executing a program. Then character string 100 comma string 200. Here we have taken two character array, string 1 and string 2. Here 100 is the size of array, so we can enter the 100 character name or string. Now at line number 11, printf enter string 1, then scanf %s comma string 1. So scanf is a function which is basically used to accept the string value from the user. %s is a format specifier which is used for string. Now line number 14, we have to accept string 2. So enter string 2 scanf %s comma string 2. Now line number 17, if strcmp, here we have to compare both the string 1 and string 2. So strcmp is an inbuilt function in string. So strcmp is used for comparing two string. If both string are same, it will return 0. So 0 double equal to 0. So here double equal to is a comparison operator. So condition is true if both string are equal. Then printf string are equal. If both string are not equal, then it will return other than 0 value in condition. So here we can say that else string are not equal. Let's wait to check this program. Here string 1, suppose hello we have entered, then string 2 hello. Here both the string are same, so we can write down here, we can see the output strings are equal. Now here when we enter different string hello and string 2 is hi, here both the string are different, so else portion will be executed which is string are not equal. Thanks for watching video.